So it's that time of year where we like to give thanks and also think about all the blessings that we've had throughout the year and about spending time with family. So for this Thanksgiving, I just wanted to say how thankful we are for all of you and the business we've done with you throughout the years or just recently. You do mean a lot to us, and we actually think that you are part of our MStagers Realty Partners family. So during this Thanksgiving season, we hope you have an amazing day, that you are blessed and grateful. And with that, I'll share a prayer. It's called the Thanksgiving Prayer. Dear God, we thank you for this special meal and for all the love and joy we feel. Bless our family, bless our friends with your love that never ends. All our blessings, big and small, we give thanks for one and all. May you be blessed on Thanksgiving. From my family, MStagers Realty Partners, to your family, have a wonderful holiday.